Hey everyone, in this video we're going to take a look at hyperlinks. So the hyperlinks are connect to one page to another page, and the main work of hyperlinks is to join the page together on a web page. So for do that you need to tag called A and put the less than and greater than symbol besides of A, and under the A initial tag you need to put the href, which is a method for joining files together. So put the href and equals, and then you need to put your file location where your second page is located. Like if you are on first page, then you need to put your second page link. So first suppose I have a link called xr.html, then close the initial tag with greater than symbol, and then put the name of your link which will show in your website. So I'm calling this second page, and then close the terminal of A. So here xr.html, which is in page address, and second is the page link which will show in your description called website. Okay, so let's put an example. So here's an HTML file which we had created in our previous videos called tutorials.html. So let's make this, and here's the code which we have wrote. So let's run it and inspect it. Here you can see our code is run, and our headings, paragraphs and breaklines. So let's create another web page which we will join together on a web page. So add new file. Now save it at the same location where your first file is located. So here's file name. I have file in desktop, then I'll save it in desktop. So I'm calling this second page.html. You can do anything and save this as a s.html with the extension. So here our second page is completely come, and here we are two pages, first tutorials and second page. So add second page on your code editor or whatever you want. Copy this, which will be main on our second page, since it is basically every code needs. So at second page put this, and under the body everything clear, and then put everything you want to put in your second page. Then here is this is the heading of second page. I've created a h1 heading, and then put a paragraph. You can want anything. So here, welcome to second page. Now it's time to join the pages together. So for do that you have a link at your tutorials.html which is a first page. So at your first page put a tag, and under the a tag href equals second page.html, which is our second page's name, and then close this terminal. So first I have not created the link, so here if you run that, then our link is not showing. So it's an interruption. So for do that we have to put our link for second page with the path to go on there. So here at the second page's first page you have to put a second page, which is the link which will show in your website. Support this and then run it. Refresh it. Here you can see our second page's link is come. Now by pressing that we can go on second page. Here you can see our second page content. This is our heading. So here, so we also can make a link on second page to go on our first page called home page. So let's put a link at a tag initial tag href equals to the location of first page within tutorials.html, and then close the terminal of first initial and the name of your link. So I'm calling this back to home, and then close the a tag terminal. So and as we'll run it and refresh it, so here you can see our link is come. If we touch this, then we reach to front page, and when we put the link, then we reach on second page. So as we can go on second page and third page, we can gauge multiple pages. So thanks for watching, and see you soon in next video.